2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song by the Doobie Brothers. Listen to the music. Yes, listen to the music. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, and I decided to put a capo on 2, please, because we're doing an acoustic lesson. The original, they're playing up here, which is cool if you play electric, but this is the same thing and it works better on acoustic guitar down here. Sounds fuller. Okay, so let's get to it. The song is in a D shape, and we're gonna start. That main riff is so grab from D string, G string, B string, 2nd fret, bar that, and then you want to use your 3rd finger and 2nd finger to grab 4th fret D string and 3rd fret B string. So it's like that, like a Rolling Stones thing. Can add, let's not start when you start the riff, don't start with A in the bass, but you can add it a little later to make it fuller. And then after that we're gonna take it to a D major to a D sus, so 2, 3, 2, and add pinky there on the 3rd fret. Major sus, and do like a pull on. When you play that, you can play D in the bass. So that's the main verses, and then we go to a B minor shape. So bar 2 from the A string, 4, 4, 3, to A, 2, 2, 2, to G. Bring it up to speed a little bit. Okay, go to B minor. Okay, and then for the chorus, listen to the music. We're gonna go to B minor, to G, E7. That's 1 on G, 2 on A. And G major. Stay longer here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We do have a little bridge when they kind of slow down. That's D major. Second chord is some form of sus. Just grab A string, D string, G string, B string, and bar that. That's the second chord. And to a G. So it's almost like you don't stop the strumming, you just accent. Yeah, that's kind of what it is. The intro and the most important part, I think, is that grab D, G, B string, bar that, and we're gonna do a pull on with 2 fingers. Third finger on 4, D, second finger on 3, B. That's going to take us to D, D sus, D. Same here, you do pull on from D major to D sus. Alright, and then B minor, pre-chorus, A major, G. And every time before the main chorus, they go back to that. And then chorus B minor, B minor, G, B minor, G, E7 to G. Stay there longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Bridge D, then this chord, G. Listen to the music, folks. Alright, thanks for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow with more cool songs. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.